Taurus. How are you? Thank you for watching this video and welcome to my channel. So today's reading is for the ones whose sun, moon, rising, that is ascendant or lagna, and Venus are in the sign of Taurus. Okay, firstly that. Secondly, this reading is guided by the unicorns, and that is why I am using unicorn cards. So let's see how these 10 days, the remaining 10 days of March, going to treat us. Okay, so this reading is from 22nd of March 2021 to 31st of March 2021. Let's see what is the message for us from the divine. Taurus, from 22nd to 31st of March. Also, Mars and Rahu are conjuncting in your sign. That may make you a little fizzy. You may do some sort of silly things, may get impatient with your you may find yourself getting agitated and impatient, not wanting to say sorry in spite of the fact that you know you did something or the other wrong. All that is martial energy under the influence of Rahu. But yes, a lot of surge of courage, also something new, some kind of newness you would be feeling. So be informed, be wise when you take any sort of decision, Taurus, because a great conjunction is happening. I hope you have seen Mars Rahu conjunction reading. If not, the link is there in the description box. And your message for these 10 days is to be focused on soul purpose. The message is act on your soul purpose today. Now it's very important to understand, most of us on earth are not even aware that our soul took this body to fulfill a purpose. It's not just the academic qualification that we have and the job that we are doing. It's a soul purpose. Okay, some purpose is supposed to be fulfilled through this body, and it is time these 10 days. Please make sure that you ask some questions like, who am I, what am I supposed to do, what am I doing, what are my powers that I'm born with. So keep exploring yourself. These are some of the continuous questions that you should keep asking and single-mindedly think about it, at least for 20-30 seconds, 20-30 minutes per day during these 10 days. Sit in meditation, get in some silent place, maybe in a park or some garden, maybe in the nature, basically, wherein you do not have phone and tablets and television or your laptop disturbing you. But take out those 20-30 minutes. You can walk there and ask yourself continuously in the nature itself, who am I? What am I supposed to do? Why am I born? Whatever I am doing at the moment, is it apt for me? So try and discover yourself, because you are made to do, you are born to do something greater than what you're doing at the moment. So that's very important for you, Taurus. And probably, and this is a very good time because Mars is in your sign along with Rahu. Okay, so Mars and Rahu, if you can really use the creative, passionate, ambitious energy of Mars and Rahu, that courageous energy, if you really use it in the direction of soul purpose, they will bring about that revelation to you, that what exactly you're born for. Okay, so walking in nature can really help you out with this. Okay, now we have the Hanged Man. This is a major arcana which talks about surrender. You can do surrender meditation. The link is there in the description box. If you don't know how to do it, you can learn it from that video. It is also a card of waiting, surrendering, meditating, and seeing things from a different perspective altogether. Okay, so see yourself and your life from a different perspective, not just from the perspective of the academics and the job and the family you are in and the kind of people you have. Okay, it is beyond and way beyond that, and that's what is soul purpose all about. So just try and find out that and see things from a higher perspective. Surrender yourself to the divine. So wait for some time and see how things unfold in these 10 days. Yeah, it is your heart chakra is actually blocked because probably you are at some sort of defense. You're trying to defend yourself and trying to set up some boundary, and you're not ready to see things. See, hangman is talking about seeing things from a higher perspective, and here comes the lady, two of swords, whose eyes are blindfolded. So she's like, there is a goodness here that she actually is kind of defending herself from all sorts of negativities, but simultaneously the way she is holding the swords also shows that um, she is blindfolded. She's not ready to see. Okay, so yeah, and your soul purpose, your heart chakra has to be open if you really are trying to explore your own self. What are you born for, and all that. So do some sort of maybe you can chant the Bij mantra for heart chakra, which is YAM, YAM. Okay, so yeah, you can do that, or else you can work with air life element. Yes, you're stuck here, so I believe air life element meditation is there in the description box, so please follow that. That will help you massively to open your heart chakra, give you that clarity, bring you out of this stuck energy and defensive energy. Both, you're not seeing what you should be seeing. See, both these ladies are blindfolded. When I was talking about two of swords to you, I was actually thinking about eight of swords. And both these ladies, in the same way, they feel stuck in their situation. They don't want to talk to people. They are blindfolded. They are not seeing the way forward. And it's too much of defensiveness and too much of not willing to move forward kind of energy. And here your hangman is saying, please see things from a different perspective, and for that you will have to open your heart and open your eyes. I would suggest you to go for air life element meditation, because your heart chakra corresponds to air life element. So when you work with it, it actually opens and sheds a lot of heaviness that you are carrying in your heart and harmonizes your heart and mind. Okay, you start seeing things that are supposed to be seen, and that is your heart is the seat of soul. Okay, so once that gets opened, you will be able to see through your soul purpose. So it's a heavy reading that is happening, and it is a kind of a spiritual week for you, Taurus. Nice. And also, Seven of Pentacles is talking about you taking an inventory of whatever you have done up till now. Probably, I believe, you are actually trying to, judge yourself on the basis of whatever I have done. Has that fetched me anything? Do I need to change my line? Am I suitable for this? What wrong did I do? How much do I need to work upon it? Am I on the right path? So all that is anyways into your head. Okay, divert that towards freeing yourself. Your air life element meditation will help you to see things from a higher perspective. Surrendering to the divine will help you take this gauging your work and re-strategizing your direction and taking an inventory of life and action in a better way, and that will help you to sort your soul purpose. It is important that you act on that. Okay, one more. Okay, yes, now then you will be able to see the truth with that mental clarity. And this is yet another sword, so I highly recommend air life element meditation for these 10 days for you guys. Okay, so Taurus, this week is of soul purpose, taking inventory, opening your eyes to your great power and seeing the truth, surrendering to the divine, opening your heart chakra, and the world, and then comes the world. So then you will be able to, once you know, you actually walk on the path of finding yourself and your soul purpose, you'll actually see your you'll actually see that the world comes to your feet. So that journey you are starting right away, and there is a repetition of the number. This is 29, soul purpose. This is 29, and this card also, the world is 29. Okay, so I believe there is something 2929. You can go and search in the Google also, Taurus, how that corresponds to you. Also 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 is a master number, and it says correct your thoughts about your own self, about your life, and the universe is taking note of your thoughts. So the way you see yourself, the way you think, it will actually bring into that will come into reality. So 11 is that. Okay, so it's a week of a lot of inner work, soul work, inner work, and finally comes the mental clarity and recognition, and that shift altogether. Not much of the day, but these 29 days or 11 days or maybe these 10 days are really crucial. The journey starts now, the moment you watch this video. And storm warning. Yes, so here comes the storm warning. So that is why probably there's a lot going on into your head, and you are actually it gives me a lot of that kind of first energy wherein I am just tired of whatever is happening around me, or maybe you are on the verge of not re-evaluating and re-strategizing yourself, but rather nothing can work out kind of an energy. And that's why probably you are actually being guided by the unicorns to follow the dharma. So the dharma of the person is to really find one's soul purpose. That is what you're born for, and that is what you're supposed to do. That is the most righteous thing in this lifetime you should be doing, is following your soul purpose. And when you are in the most dire of your life situation, when there is a some upheaval, you're amid an upheaval, or you are stuck and you're not able to see through, you're still waiting for the air to get cleared. What higher perspective people keep talking, you simply don't understand all that, and you are wrongly judging yourself because others are judging you. In those situations, it's always better to follow the dharma, follow the purpose of life, follow the soul purpose, connect back to your soul. I would also request you that apart from surrendering and air life element meditation, please practice mindfulness. Learn mindfulness if you do not know. Okay, if you want to learn mindfulness, you can send your interest at info@mysteriousbox.co.in, so you can enroll for that workshop, mindfulness workshop with me. These 10 days, and especially this 1 month, will be crucial for you. One more card. Yeah, and finally things settle down. Will settle down in this 4th month of April. So this is a short-term upheaval which is there, or this upheaval and this finding of your own self, and really finding yourself into that storm and all that will go away, because there is Ace of Sword and there is the world and happy family card. So April month is going to be a lot of creative, positive, lot more positive than what March has been. But till March finishes, these 10-12 days will be your construction timing, your building blocks timing. So you're building your foundation, and that foundation is actually your dharma, your soul purpose. So you have to create karma to follow the dharma. I hope that is very clear to you. Do let me know how these 10 days, what all did you do these 10 days, and what are your revelations regarding your soul purpose in the comment box. I'll be waiting for your comments, and like, subscribe, and share this video. And do share this video with your loved ones. Thank you and all the best. Please take care of yourself.